Yay! So we now have a Cosori. We have travelled from Portugal to England with this, still in its box, and we're looking forward to doing an unboxing video with you today so that you can see what all the fuss is about and see if a Cosori air fryer is for you, and then we can see what the size capacity is like and whether or not we recommend it to the readers of recipethis.com. Well, I've never opened the Cosori box, so I have absolutely no idea what's included. So let's have a look, shall we? Wow, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so we've got a quick reference guide, which are always important when you're starting out with a new gadget you haven't used before. And then polystyrene, which always gets on my nerves, but it's always very good for when you're packaging up your gadgets. Oh, and we've got a massive folder here. I've never seen such a fancy folder before when you've got your gadgets. And you've got your user manual, you've got your little recipe book, and then you've got a thank you from Cosori. Philips has never given us a thank you, has it, Dominic? Now that's impressive. So, now this is the actual main air fryer unit. I'm just going to lean it forward like this. Dominic's going to grab the bottom, and we're going to move that box out the way so we can have a closer look. Wow, it's all nicely packaged up. Yes, just as I expected, because they knew we were in Portugal at the time, it is on a European plug. The downside of recently is that we're trying to move everything onto a UK plug, but we still got some charger units available in the cupboard, so we should be able to find one to plug it in and see what it does. So, still got all its sellotape and stuff on, and wow, it's very well packaged. Like I say, our Philips has never been like this. Or maybe it has. Dominic always unpacks it for me and I'm never in the room. And then, of course, it's got something else on here that I can't get off. Can you get that off, Dominic? Oh, that's got a little covering on it. Oh, there we go, we're in. I think that was because of all the packaging on it was making it difficult to open. But yeah, that's all good. So, let's move it all over so we can show you the basket. Right, more packaging. So, for your main air fryer unit, you've got your basket and your base to go with your basket. It's a different style of basket to what we use with the Philips air fryer. I've been told, compared to the Philips, because we've used mainly Philips, is that because of the design of it, it's not as non-stick in comparison. So this means on here, I would recommend a spray of olive oil before cooking anything. And then this, of course, is your main unit. And it's got lots of useful information on the front for you. For example, it says before getting started, there's plastic inside. Make sure to pull it all out and separate it onto a countertop, and remove all plastic before plugging in, which is fair enough. And then exactly the same information but in different languages. So obviously more catered towards us when we lived in Portugal. And then of course you've got a warmer on the top, which has things like remind you of how hot it gets, do not press button while moving or shaking basket, and do not fill with oil. That is because some people assume that it's like a deep fat fryer and you just fill it with oil, but in reality you just add oil to the food. By this we mean that what you would do is, say if you were doing some French fries, you would toss the French fries in a bowl with about half a tablespoon of olive oil before adding to the air fryer basket, and that's how it's done instead. So, if you can see those yourself, That's everything that's on it. And we've still got plenty of packaging. I can't believe how well packaged this is. Looks absolutely amazing. And then once you've got your label off the front, well, the top, and then it's time for this one. As it says peel. Oh wow, that sparkling thing, the new air fryer, because I'll tell you, you know, they always feel like they need a 10-minute polish every time because of all the sticky fingerprints from the kids and things. So it's nice to see the unit. Oh, I found even more packaging. Wow, I just can't believe how much packaging there is. I'm just having a look inside, make sure there's nothing else to worry about. There isn't. And let me just give you a quick tip when you're using this. I'm not used to having this on here because it's totally different to some of the other air fryers we've used. But what you need to do is you need to push it that way, like that, and then they come apart. So it's that bit of the button there. And then you've got to, Dominic's sniggering at me now. You know, brand new air fryer, not used it before. I know I'm an air fryer expert, but I'm not with the Cosori yet. So there it is. It's nice and secure, as you can. Oh, it's got a steady grip on it there. So that's everything that's included. So you've got your main air fryer unit. You've got the basket, which fits nicely in. You have got your recipe cookbook. You've got your thank you from Cosori. You've got your quick reference guide. So that's probably a bit like the kind of stuff you get from recipethis.com, where you get cooking times and that kind of thing. Then you've got your user manual. Then you've got the gorgeous cute little folder that it came in. And we better not forget about all the packaging that comes with it. You know, you need a good recycling bin for all that. And the box is going to be perfect for placing in our utility and adding all our Cosori accessories to it. So don't throw out your box because they are fantastic for using again. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more great videos, check out 1,000+ free kitchen gadget recipes at recipethis.com, join the weekly newsletter at RecipeThis too, or let's get to know each other. Comment below with where you are from and which kitchen gadget you own.